high skill guys. Today we have crane skills like this, and we have like program or software, or how you call it. You can call it how you want. So, and to calibrate this load cell, you go stop test, go to sensors, choose your sensor, calibrate it, and here you calibrate in 0 by add here. So changed -1, -2. You go a little bit higher. You go still a little bit. Here's like 0.4, 0.1. It's okay. So we press OK. So it was. Now we can close it. This is sensor management. So now we press start the test. And here we have results. It's about 0, -10, -9, -5, -13, +11. So this is which results which we have here. So we apply the weight on the load cell. The capacity is 10. I will put in the middle just to show you how to do it. 54, 60, 54, 62, 65, 55, 60, 50, 40, 40, 48. And then when you have applied your weight, to stop the test and put sensors, go to sensors, calibrate, and now you have value here, and here you use this to put it up and put it down. Scale. So we have 53.86, 53.80, 83, 80. It's close enough, so we won't calibrate it. But this is how you do it. So like this interesting thing, you can have laptop with the load cells instead, and software instead of indicator. So that's all guys, thanks for watching.